Alright guys, just thought it'd be neat to open these Coleman kits on camera and let you guys kind of see what you get and how much room you got. And like I said, these were bought basically for the tins. We're going to restock these with items of our choosing. Just thought the tins were cool and be good to have. According to the back of them, there are a few items in here useful. This one here on the personal survival kit says it comes with 6 1x3 bandages, 6 small bandages, 4 butterfly bandages, 2 spot bandages, 2 knuckle bandages, 5 antiseptic wipes, 3 sting relief wipes, 2 safety pins, 2 antibiotic ointments, 40 waterproof matches, 1 razor blade, and the reusable tin itself. The other one says Family First Aid Kit, and it comes with 15 bandages, 1x3, 15 small, 6 butterfly, 6 spot bandages, 6 fingertip bandages, 4 knuckle bandages, 8 antiseptic wipes, 5 sting relief wipes, 5 safety pins, 4 antibiotic ointments, 2 nitrile gloves, 4 2x2 gauze pads, 1 1/2 inch by 25 yards, or 2.5 yards, I'm sorry, tape, and the reusable tin itself. So we just thought we'd tear into it. And see exactly what we got. That one looks full, so not much wasted space in there. Smaller one here. It's pretty full as well. Got everything unpacked and laid out here, and it's a fair amount of stuff. I'm not really sure as far as medical supplies go. This is definitely, not in my opinion, enough to feel comfortable with. Some of these items are decent, and some of these will be kept and used, and some of them will probably just fall by the wayside and go into storage with some other stuff, like stuff like band-aids and that, unless I poke my finger with a fish hook or something, or I need to keep it covered to try to keep it from getting dirty or infected or something. I'm not really a band-aid kind of person. I do like these butterflies here. If you get a decent cut or something and you really need to keep pressure and try to keep it closed, I like the butterflies. So we have a couple packs of those. Everything from here over come out of the larger tin, and everything from here over come out of the smaller tin. So I always do like to have your single-use packets of like the ointments, and these sting wipes are good, mosquito bites or a bee sting or any type of irritation from an insect or something. Quite a bit of band-aids here, and they're rather large. So those are good to have if you got young kids and stuff. You're always needing a band-aid. The larger tin came with 1 pair of gloves, which is nice. Small roll of tape and 5 small safety pins. So we've got some towelette wipes here, knuckle bandages, that kind of thing. The smaller kit did come with a pack of 40 waterproof matches, razor blade, and 2 safety pins, one of them larger. So those are decent items, good to have. More sting relief wipes, a couple more ointments, more band-aids and stuff. All in all, it's a decent kit. As far as price goes, the smaller one, personal survival kit, I think was like $6, and the larger one family first aid kit was closer to like $9 or something. So, I mean, if you were to just buy the supplies alone, you could probably build a better medical kit for $9. But like I said, these were mainly bought for the tins. And we just thought we'd open them here on video so you guys could see exactly what you would get. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Thanks for your support. We've got more videos coming soon. Waiting on FedEx to drop a couple packages this week on some other items purchased that we look forward to showing next week. Have plans for several new videos coming your way, and hope you guys watch. Thanks for the support.